Crash course on Alberta Province, Canada. Alberta is a province located in Western Canada, known for its stunning landscapes, abundant natural resources, and thriving economy. Let's explore its various aspects. Geolocation. Alberta is situated in the western part of Canada, bordered by the provinces of British Columbia to the west, Saskatchewan to the east, and the Northwest Territories to the north. It also shares a southern border with the U.S. state of Montana. Capital. The capital city of Alberta is Edmonton. It is a vibrant city with a rich cultural scene, notable universities, and serves as a major economic and governmental center in the province. Population. As of the latest available data, Alberta has a population of approximately 4.4 million people. The province has a diverse population, including various ethnic backgrounds such as British, German, Ukrainian, Indigenous peoples, and more. Economy. Alberta's economy is primarily driven by its vast natural resources, including oil, gas, minerals, and forestry. It is known for having the largest oil sands reserves in the world. The province also has a strong agricultural sector, producing crops like canola, wheat, and barley. Education. Alberta boasts a well-regarded education system with numerous universities, colleges, and technical institutes. The University of Alberta, located in Edmonton, is one of Canada's top-ranked universities and contributes significantly to research and innovation. Brief history. Alberta has a rich history that dates back thousands of years with Indigenous peoples inhabiting the region. European exploration and settlement began in the late 18th century, and Alberta became a province of Canada in 1905. The discovery of oil in the early 20th century transformed the province's economy and led to rapid growth and development. Cultures and politics. Alberta is a diverse province that celebrates various cultures and traditions. Indigenous cultures play a significant role, and their influence can be seen in art, music, and festivals throughout the province. The political landscape of Alberta is often characterized by a multi-party system, with the Progressive Conservative and United Conservative parties being historically prominent. Now, let's delve into some interesting stories or examples that highlight Alberta's uniqueness. 1. The Calgary Stampede. Known as the greatest outdoor show on Earth, the Calgary Stampede is a world-famous annual event that celebrates Western heritage and culture. It features rodeo competitions, chuck wagon races, live music, and a vibrant carnival atmosphere. 2. Dinosaur Provincial Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, located in southern Alberta, is home to one of the world's richest dinosaur fossil beds. Visitors can explore the Badlands, participate in guided fossil tours, and learn about the prehistoric history of the region. 3. The Rocky Mountains. Alberta is blessed with a portion of the magnificent Rocky Mountains, offering breathtaking landscapes, hiking trails, and outdoor recreational activities. Popular destinations include Banff National Park, Jasper National Park, and Lake Louise. Now, let's move on to the top 12 attractions of Alberta Province. 1. Banff National Park. Known for its turquoise lakes, majestic mountains, and diverse wildlife, Banff National Park is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. It offers opportunities for hiking, wildlife spotting, skiing, and breathtaking scenic drives. 2. Jasper National Park. Situated in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Jasper National Park offers stunning alpine landscapes, glaciers, hot springs, and abundant wildlife. The Icefields Parkway, one of the most scenic drives in the world, traverses through this park. 3. Calgary Tower. Standing tall in the heart of downtown Calgary, the Calgary Tower provides panoramic views of the city and the surrounding Rocky Mountains. It also features a revolving restaurant and a glass-floor observation deck for a thrilling experience. 4. Royal Tyrrell Museum of Paleontology. Located in Drumheller, the Royal Tyrrell Museum is a world-renowned institution dedicated to the study and exhibition of dinosaurs and other prehistoric creatures. It houses an extensive collection of fossils and offers interactive exhibits and programs for visitors of all ages. 5. West Edmonton Mall. As one of the largest shopping malls in North America, West Edmonton Mall is not just a shopping destination but also an entertainment complex. It features an indoor amusement park, water park, ice rink, mini golf, and a wide array of retail stores and dining options. 6. Head smashed in Buffalo Jump, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This archaeological site offers insight into the hunting techniques used by Indigenous peoples thousands of years ago. Visitors can explore interpretive exhibits and witness demonstrations of buffalo hunting methods. 7. Drumheller hoodoos. These unique rock formations, shaped by erosion, can be found in the Drumheller Valley. Visitors can hike through the Badlands and marvel at the towering hoodoos, which create an otherworldly landscape. 8. Waterton Lakes National Park. Located in the southwestern corner of Alberta, Waterton Lakes National Park offers stunning mountain scenery, pristine lakes, and abundant wildlife. It is a peaceful and serene destination for hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. 9. Elk Island National Park. This national park, located near Edmonton, is known for its conservation of native wildlife, particularly its efforts in preserving herds of bison and elk. Visitors can enjoy hiking, picnicking, wildlife watching, and stargazing in this beautiful natural setting. 10. Heritage Park Historical Village. Located in Calgary, Heritage Park is Canada's largest living history museum. It showcases historical buildings, exhibits, and reenactments that depict life in Western Canada from the 1860s to the early 20th century. 11. Athabasca Falls. Situated in Jasper National Park, Athabasca Falls is a powerful waterfall known for its stunning beauty and roaring cascades. Visitors can witness the impressive force of the water and enjoy the surrounding natural scenery. 12. Frank Slide Interpretive Center. Located in the Crow's Nest Pass region, this center provides insights into the devastating Frank Slide, a massive rock slide that occurred in 1903. Visitors can learn about the event through exhibits, multimedia presentations, and guided tours. In summary, Alberta Province in Canada offers a diverse range of attractions, from its breathtaking natural landscapes and national parks to its vibrant cities and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, exploring dinosaur fossils, or immersing yourself in the history and culture of the region, Alberta has something for everyone to enjoy. Ending note: start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.